In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Stripe to your Shopify store. If you're looking to provide a seamless and reliable payment option for your online store, integrating Stripe is a great choice. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you know exactly what to do at each stage. There's no need to worry. It's simpler than you might think. First, you'll want to navigate to the Shopify website. Once there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure your information is accurate to avoid any hiccups during the setup process. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your Shopify dashboard, the hub where you can manage everything related to your store. Next, let's move on to the Settings section. You'll find this option towards the lower left side of your dashboard. Click on Settings and then proceed to select Payments. This is where you will configure your payment gateways, which are essential for your online transactions. Once you're on the Payments page, look for the option that says Choose a Provider. It's important to select the correct payment provider because this is what allows your customers to transact smoothly on your site. Type Stripe into the search bar to find it quickly. As Shopify supports many providers, this search function can save you quite a bit of time. After locating Stripe from the list of providers, you'll want to follow the on-screen prompts to begin the integration process. This will involve a verification step, which is crucial for ensuring that all transactions going through your store are secure and legitimate. Make sure to have any necessary documents or information handy so this part of the process goes smoothly. It may involve confirming your business details and perhaps even a verification email. Once you've completed the verification steps, you'll be prompted to log into your Stripe account. If you don't already have one, no worries. You will have the option to create one at this stage. Logging into Stripe is the final piece of the puzzle for the integration process, allowing you to connect your Shopify store with Stripe's payment processing capabilities. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you have successfully added Stripe to your Shopify store, and your customers can now enjoy the convenience and security that comes with using Stripe. Keep in mind that offering a variety of payment options can significantly enhance your customers' shopping experience, potentially boosting your sales and customer satisfaction. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best of luck with your Shopify store.